Hi guys, right now I'm going to a secret location to pick up some PIAA goodies for Project Jimny. Join me. Good morning! So nandito ako para pick upin yung PIAA items natin for Project Jeepney.
Yes po.
Nakahanda na ba?
Yes po, ito sir.
Nandito na pala eh. Ayun, ano kaya ang mga laman yan? Ayun, buksan nga natin. Oh guys, PIAA. Uy,
Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog. So that was my dad's attempt on being a vloggerist. Okay ba yun?
fail.
Let's check out what he brought home. Wow, that's a lot of PIAA equipment
Yes. We would like to thank our friends from PIAA for sending us all these goodies to put in Project Jeepney.
This is a big one
Wow.
PIAA LP570 High Intensity LED Driving Lamp. How big are these? Parang kasya dalawang kamay ko dyan
Ito, 7 inches.
Anyway, baka may concern kasi mga tao. Actually, nakakabit dito sa harap, guys. Tayo eh. Previously, dati nakabit na tong IPF. Pero we're gonna go for an all PIAA setup because that's what my dad wants. So why are we switching ba to PIAA?
When you were not yet born, parati ako nagbabasa ng 4x4 Off-Road Express magazine. And parati doon naka-feature yung PIAA na mga lamps eh.
So this has been your long time dream of owning a full PIAA kit.
Yan, terno-terno na lahat. Diba?
Okay.
Kesa naman yung ilaw natin puro chapsuy.
Okay, I see. So this is just one box from the two boxes inside?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big one. Oh, ang laki. Parang mas malaki yan kaysa sa current natin
Pareho lang. Mukhang malaki lang.
Ganda nito. Ang ganda ng yung PIAA na nakasulat.
Natatanggal.
Black and white. Huwag mo na tanggalin.
Hindi, para makita nila.
Mamaya masira mo yan.
Matigas, wag na muna. Ayun, naka-snack siya eh.
Yeah. LED.
So tingnan natin.
Wow, that
Tingnan
looks
natin
good.
yung tsura. Doon sa...
Hindi.
Ayun.
Ay, trip ko siya kasi parang yung reflector niya is very bright. Parang nabubuhay yung...
Pero tingnan mo yung difference.
It's bigger.
It's the same.
It's bigger. It's taller. Tingnan mo. Oh. Mas malaki siya ng konti. So apart from the LP570, I think we have some more goodies here. Like I see this box over here. Ano ba to? 2000 series LED light pod.
Light pods.
Wow, this looks serious Parang ayan siya. Spot beam.
Balak natin ilalagay ko doon sa cowl ng Jimny.
Anong
sa
cowl?
A-pillar. A-pillar. So,
buksan na natin. Maliit lang.
Maliit
Ang
lang
cute
siya. Maliit lang siya.
Wow, that looks nice. It's small and compact. Pero mukhang malakas kasi the LED inside looks serious. Parang mabubulag ka if you look at that.
Ito. Ito yung beam pattern, no? Spot beam siya.
Spot beam pattern. Interesting.
This is specifically made for the Jimny cowl area.
This is for the Jimny talaga.
Yeah. Meron tayo nakakabit na dyan. Pakita
Let's show
natin.
them.
Ito yung area. So this one will be
Clean.
This will be mounted here.
Wow. Sige, hawakan mo nga.
Tama lang size niya. Liit lang. Hindi siya yung bulky na yung mga 2x2 inches. Sabi na natin muna to.
Last but not the smallest. It's the largest.
Long boy.
It says spot and driving combination beam. Wow. Nako, ito talaga huliin ka ng HPG pag binuksan mo yan habang nagda-drive. Okay, let's unbox it. I think everybody knows what this is.
30 inches.
It's a 30-inch SRF series LED light bar. Ba't may
Combo
S?
beam.
Bakit may S? Light bars? Wow. Clean design.
Very nice.
Hindi pala siya sobrang laki.
Slim.
It's pretty compact. Compact and slim. Oh, that's nice. And it says here sa dulo, PIAA. Look at that. So nice. Ganda. Pati yung likod, oh. Ang linis ng design. Wow. Tsaka parang ang rugged niya, no? Kahit tamaan mo ng bato, okay lang. Front runner din.
Yes.
Yeah, so the reason why we got front runner brackets is because yung roof rack natin is front runner. So that's why we need this.
LED light bar rack mount.
Yes.
Brackets.
Oh. So if you guys are also running the same setup with the front runner racks, just get the front runner brackets to be paired with the lights.
So, nakita
So,
mo, magkaiba yung reflector.
oo nga eh.
So itong gitna,
Ah,
malamang this is spot.
Ano
Ito
man?
yung
Oo
flow.
nga, no? Wait lang, i-zoom ko nga.
It's a combination eh.
So, the ones on the side have that parang,
Ridge.
yeah, parang may ridges. And then the ones in the middle don't have the ridges. Wow, that's
So
some
combination siya.
high-tech lighting solutions.
Tingnan natin kung anong itsura.
So, it's gonna be like that, guys. Parang pwede pang mas malaki. It's actually thinner than the rack, which is why it's nice.
The next morning.
Hi guys, so we just came back from the installer. Finally, we have installed all our LED lights, PIAA LED lights.
So these are the new LP570 LED driving lamps. A bit bigger than before, but this is what they look like. A bit more aggressive. We'll test out the light intensity of this at night. And then obviously you guys can see something new up there and up there. So first we have these, ano ba tawag dito? Cowl lights. And then we have a PIAA LED bar. The install was very clean. Sino ba nag-install na to?
Shout out to DZ Racing for the excellent install.
Front runner to.
Oo, front runner.
Kaya pala nag-mount siya ng
Yes.
very cleanly dito sa front runner na rack.
Here,
There's also one more spotlight over here.
for the side.
Yeah, this is to light up your campsite here on this area if ever. And then we have one more light over here. This is the backlight. So if you want to light up the area over here, we have this. So solid siya. And I think special mention, there are new parts installed on the car, like this gas tank, jerry can that's mounted to the side of the car. Ito nakaipit lang.
Magnet.
Magnet.
Magnet lang.
So madali lang nakawin.
Hindi, yun naman. Ayun, oh.
Nanakaw na. Tingnan mo. Nanakaw mo na 'yun, So
Pero ano siya,
that's a bad idea. We showed it in the vlog. Someone might steal this the next time they see you.
Well, kung talagang nanakawin nila, tatanggalin nila yung tornilyo.
Hindi, kung alam nila na magnet 'yan, meaning nanood sila ng vlog natin.
Tama.
Subscriber yung nagnakaw. And then we also have this recovery boards that's naka-mount siya sa roof rack din. Ayan Front runner din yung mount. Yan.
Lalagyan pa natin ito.
Shovel.
Oo.
Para pag na number 2 ka, you can cover it up.
We'll
Yeah.
put it somewhere here. So, uurungin lang natin yan.
Hello guys, so we have positioned the Jimny over here in a dark area. There's only one light over here and no lights over there. Headlight lang. Yan. So yan naman yung headlight lang. And then turn on the fog lamp. Yan. So these are not PIAA items, but we just wanted to see how strong they are. And as you saw, mas malakas yung fog lamp kaysa sa headlight. Ayan, so that is the PIAA LP570 light output. Try naman natin yung cowl lights lang. So that is the cowl lights, guys. And then let's try the LED light bar on top of the roof rack. Wow, ang lakas. If If you guys can see, pagpatay, kita nyo guys, wala talagang ilaw. Tapos bukas. As you can see, it can light up all these houses din. Lakas talaga ng LED bar. Tapos ang galing, meron siyang parang spotlight doon sa gitna. Wow. Let's try opening all the lights na nasa harap. Everything. Headlight, fog lamp, cowl light, LED bar. Lahat. Okay, so sobrang liwanag na guys. So honestly guys, I have no idea how to film all of these lights because I am not a lighting expert with this camera and sobrang silaw, hindi kinakaya ng camera. But you guys can see the intensity of all these lights, especially these PIAA lights and this one on top. Ang lakas talaga, ang lakas. Ito naman yung all PIAA na setup. So LP570, cowl light and LED na light bar. Yan. Sobrang mas maliwanag siya compared to like the stock setup. Tingnan mo, ito yung stock setup guys. Papatayin natin lahat ng PIAA. Tapos headlight lang tsaka fog lamp. Oh, headlight. Fog lamp, yan. So pag headlight tsaka fog lamp, yan lang yung maliwanag. Pero pag nakabukas lahat ng PIAA, lahat yan maliwanag.
Yung mga lights natin hindi pa nakafocus ha.
Check naman natin guys yung nasa side. We have one light over here. Can you light it up? Oh my god, ang silaw. Yan. So when that is lit up, it can actually light up this whole area over here. Tapos check natin yung backlight naman. Backlight. Off, ganyan. So pag naka-on, yan, malakas. So it's basically like a headlight na rin na nilagay lang sa likod just so that it can light up dark trails I guess or something, or pag magbaback up at least kita ng driver kung saan siya pupunta. Hindi ko siya kaya tingnan ng direct, sobrang lakas. These PIAA lights are really powerful, obviously for off-road situations only. You cannot use these lights for everyday driving sa road kasi mabubulag ang mga tao. I mean, look at that. Grabe. Very, very nice. Grabe. Tsaka ang ganda na tong PIAA na cover. You can really see the PIAA logo when the light is actually lit up. So siguro pag normal driving situation, it's only gonna be the headlight, fog lamp, and this driving lamp. So this is a normal driving situation. Let's say nagda-drive tayo. It's just gonna be the headlight, fog lamp, and this PIAA driving lamp, and this is what it looks like. Yan. Pag walang PIAA na driving lamp, yan. Pang mas malayo pa siya na distance actually. You can see from the beam, the normal fog lamps start here. And then the headlights is like nakabuga lang ng ganyan. And this one is really a spotlight na pag ganun. Ayan o. Talagang pang mas malayo siya. So you can really see way ahead of the car. And whatever is nasa dulo doon, you can really see it. So it's an effective light, a great addition to your headlight and your fog lamp. So yan yung PIAA LP570. And then I guess itong mga ibang ilaw na to pang trail na talaga yan. Pero ito talaga, you can actually use this. Let's say I shouldn't recommend you using this on the road, pero actually baka pwede. Pwede ba? Yeah, pwede kasi hindi siya nakakasilaw. Wait lang ha. Hindi siya nakakasilaw. I can actually look at it straight. Yeah, you can actually look at it and hindi ka mabubulag kahit ganito kalayo. I don't know how to show it sa camera, pero hindi siya nakakabulag. That's actually really good. I don't know how PIAA designed this, pero hindi siya nakakabulag if you're a driver on the other side of the road. But of course, if you use this in the real world, huhulihin ka ng HPG or something, sabihin nila pang off-road lang yan. Pero the nice thing to know is that hindi nga siya nakakabulag. Ayan o. You can actually look at it from the front and not get blinded. Ang galing. Wow. Yun. Oh my God. Ooh! Uy. Pwede.
Ako,
Pwede. Shout out to PIAA. Baka naman.
oo.
Pwede. Anyway, back to the gym. Back to the gym. Nababad influence tayo dito.